Hello everyone, if your Fortnite does not run after the new Chapter 7 update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Fortnite from crashing or not running on your computer. So first off, you're going to open up Epic Games Launcher on your computer, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your profile, you're going to go into settings, you're going to scroll down on here until you find Fortnite on here. I'm going to use GT as an example, but you'll click on Fortnite. You're going to click additional command line arguments, and then you're going to write here D3D12, and then you're going to close this, and then you're going to go ahead and try to play your game. And if it runs and works well, then you're good to go. But if it doesn't, then what you're going to do is you're going to go back into settings, go back into additional command line arguments. Now you're going to put dash feature level ES31, and then you can try to play your game and check if that fixes the issue. If it does, then you're good. But if it still doesn't, then lastly what you can do is you can put both of these commands in here. So D3D12 and feature level ES31. So put both of these commands in here and then try and play the game, and you'll see that it will most definitely work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix Fortnite from not running or crashing on your computer after the new Chapter 7 update. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.